If you looking for one of the best tire shine that lasts for like at least like a week or so, not no couple days or 2 hours or something like that, but this is the best tire shine out there. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys one of the best tire shine out there in the market that you could ever buy for your Ram or your car, your truck, whatever truck you have, whatever car you have. This is not just strictly for Ram, but it is a little bit pricey, but I wouldn't say like it's, you get what you pay for. But I'm going to be sharing with you guys exactly what that is. So if you in the market right now, you're trying to find, or you're doing your research, you sick and tired of, I know how I feel. So like me, I personally clean my truck every probably 3 days or so. And I do like a wax, do tire shine. And I know for a fact there's a lot of different tire shine brands out there that some of them you put them on, and the thing is they shine for one day and the next day they pretty much dry out. And I myself, I went through the same exact thing where it's kind of stressful to pay for something, and then you get excited, you spray your tires, find out that it look good one day, and then the next day it's like dried out, just like you never clean your car or clean your tires. So this is the whole point of me making this video today. I want to be able to share with you guys exactly one of the best tire shine that I ever used on any one of my car, trucks, whatever, this and that. And I just want to be able to share with you because I know how that feel and how disappointing it could be sometimes when you pay for something and you get like a one or 2 days result and you're back to square one pretty much. So this right here, I'm gonna share with you guys right now. This is called Nice and Wet Tire Shine Trim Coating. This is by Chemical, guys. Pretty sure you guys know about their products. They got one of the best products out there. This is not no freaking promo or whatever you want to call it, but it's just strictly me making my own honest opinion about this, because like I said, I clean my truck or cars, this and that in the past, where I use a lot of different tire shines, and some of the ones like they will have your tires shining for like a day or two, and then after that it's like your tires is back to looking like you never really clean them. So this product right here you could probably find on Amazon, Google, anywhere on the internet that sells pretty much any kind of products and stuff. This I got from AutoZone. You can get it from AutoZone too. I spent about $11, $12 for it, which is actually worth it to me, even though the bottle is probably at least like probably 4 or 5 inch, and this actually fill up. This actually lasts me for about, believe it or not, this lasts me for about, I'd say at least like a couple weeks, because I do clean my car at least like 3 times a week. So, and this is not something that you have to spray on all the time, so that's a good thing too. So even though you spent $15 or something like that, you don't have to spray this on every time you clean your car. Your tire is still gonna look nice and clean. Like it's gonna look brand new, pretty much like how you buy like a brand new tires, how they still got that nice dark color to it. And this is what this product also, one of the best thing about this product, when you spray it on, like your car tires, the color, like the actual black color look like almost like a black spray paint, kind of like you know what I'm talking about when you spray like a black spray paint, how dark it look. It just give it like that. It bring out that black color, like almost like a brand new tires you got on there. And honestly, I give this a 10 out of 10. I wouldn't be making no review about this or recommending to anybody if it wasn't something that worked for me. I'm at the car wash right now, and I just give you guys like a full walk around see right now. All right, y'all, this is the best. If you looking for one of the best tire shine that lasts for like at least like a week or so, not no couple days or 2 hours or something like that, but this is the best tire shine out there. Got her nice and clean. Exactly how the products is, and maybe I'll give it I'd say probably like 3 days, 4 days. I'm gonna show you guys once again, like how good this is. Like you don't even have to spray this on every time you clean your car. Like it stays on there for like a week, like literally a week, and then you spray it on there again. That's why this little bottle, I wouldn't say little, but this is like 5-inch bottle. They even it lasts me like at least like a month. I bought this from AutoZone, so this lasts me for at least like a month. And a friend of mine was the one who actually put me on with this and stuff. So I'm putting you guys on. So if you're out there, you're trying to find one of the best tire shine out there, chemical guys, nice and wet tire shine trim coating, that's the best one to go with. A little bit pricey, but it's worth it. You get what you pay for. But that's gonna be it, guys. I hope you guys having a great weekend. Happy Sunday. It is a nice, beautiful day out here in Pennsylvania, so I decided to come clean my truck. So stay tuned. I upload every day. So if you guys, this is your first time on the channel, make sure you help your boy out, subscribe. I'm trying to get to 10K, and got a lot of things planned for this Ram, my 2014 Ram. So stick around and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.